Are you tired of feeling bloated, uncomfortable, and sluggish after meals? It may be time to give your digestive system some much-needed TLC. A healthy gut is not only essential for proper digestion but also plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. And one simple yet effective way to support your gut health is by incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine. These natural elixirs have been used for centuries to soothe the stomach, aid digestion, and promote a balanced microbiome. In this blog post, we'll explore the benefits of herbal teas for digestion and gut health, as well as highlight the top 5 varieties that can help banish those pesky tummy troubles. So grab your favorite mug and get ready to sip your way to better digestive wellness. Understanding the importance of a healthy gut. Our digestive system is often referred to as our second brain, and for good reason. A healthy gut is essential for not only breaking down food but also absorbing nutrients, eliminating waste, and maintaining a strong immune system. In fact, approximately 70–80% of our immune cells reside in the gut. When our gut health is compromised, it can lead to a wide range of issues such as bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, and even more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Additionally, research has shown that poor gut health may contribute to other health problems including allergies, skin disorders, mood disorders like anxiety and depression, and even autoimmune diseases. So what exactly makes a healthy gut? It all starts with having a diverse and balanced microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria that resides in our gastrointestinal tract. These friendly bacteria help break down food particles into nutrients that can be absorbed by the body while keeping harmful pathogens at bay. Maintaining a healthy gut involves various factors including eating a diet rich in fiber from fruits and vegetables along with fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut which provide probiotics beneficial bacteria that support digestion. Regular exercise also plays an important role in promoting healthy digestion by stimulating intestinal contractions to move waste through the system effectively. Benefits of herbal teas for digestion and gut health. Herbal teas have been used for centuries as natural remedies for various health ailments, including digestion and gut issues. These teas are packed with beneficial compounds that can help improve overall digestive function and promote a healthy gut. One of the main benefits of herbal teas for digestion is their ability to soothe the digestive tract. Many herbal teas, such as chamomile and peppermint, have calming properties that can help reduce inflammation in the gut and alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Additionally, herbal teas can aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. For example, ginger tea has been shown to increase gastric motility and enhance nutrient absorption, making it an excellent choice for those with sluggish digestion. Another benefit of incorporating herbal teas into your routine is their potential to support a balanced gut microbiome. Certain herbs like fennel and dandelion root contain prebiotic fibers that nourish beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy microbial balance. Furthermore, many herbal teas possess antioxidant properties that can protect against oxidative stress in the digestive system. This is particularly important because chronic oxidative stress has been linked to various gastrointestinal disorders. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine is easy and enjoyable. Simply steep your favorite herb or blend in hot water for a few minutes before sipping on its soothing goodness. You can drink them after meals or between meals as desired. Remember to choose high-quality organic herbal teas to ensure you're getting all the potential benefits without any harmful additives or pesticides. Top 5 herbal teas for digestive health. When it comes to supporting digestion and maintaining a healthy gut, herbal teas can be your go-to solution. These natural beverages have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe digestive discomfort and promote overall wellness. Here are the top 5 herbal teas that you should consider incorporating into your daily routine. 1. Peppermint tea. Known for its refreshing flavor, peppermint tea is excellent for relieving bloating, indigestion, and stomach cramps. It has antispasmodic properties that help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger has long been revered for its ability to aid digestion by reducing inflammation and stimulating bile production. This warming tea is especially effective in easing nausea and soothing an upset stomach. 3. Chamomile tea. Famous for its calming effects on both body and mind, chamomile tea also works wonders for digestion. It helps alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, such as abdominal pain and spasms. 4. Fennel tea. Fennel seeds have been used traditionally as a digestive aid due to their carminative properties, meaning they help prevent gas formation in the intestines. Sipping on fennel tea after meals can promote better digestion. 5. Dandelion root tea. While often regarded as a weed, dandelion root has amazing health benefits, including supporting liver function and promoting healthy digestion by increasing bile flow. Incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine can provide significant relief from digestive issues while promoting optimal gut health naturally. Experiment with different flavors and find what works best for you. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support your digestion and promote gut health. With their natural properties and soothing flavors, herbal teas offer a gentle approach to maintaining a healthy digestive system. To start incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine, begin by exploring different varieties that are known for their digestive benefits. Some popular options include peppermint tea, ginger tea, chamomile tea, fennel tea, and dandelion root tea. Once you have selected the herbal teas that appeal to you the most, consider when and how you will incorporate them into your day. Many people find it beneficial to enjoy a cup of herbal tea after meals as it can help alleviate bloating or discomfort. Others prefer to sip on a warm mug of herbal tea in the evening as part of their wind-down routine before bed. To make brewing herbal teas even easier, invest in an infuser or strainer that allows you to steep loose leaf herbs directly in hot water. This ensures maximum flavor extraction and potency from the herbs. Remember that consistency is key when incorporating any new habit into your daily routine. Aim for at least 1 cup of herbal tea per day initially and gradually increase if desired. By making this small adjustment in your routine, you can reap the numerous benefits offered by these natural remedies while enjoying delicious flavors at the same time. Conclusion. Incorporating herbal teas into your daily routine can be a simple and effective way to support digestion and promote gut health. The natural properties of these teas have been used for centuries to alleviate digestive issues and maintain a healthy balance in the gut. By understanding the importance of a healthy gut, we can prioritize our digestive health and make conscious choices that contribute to overall well-being. Herbal teas offer a gentle yet powerful solution, providing relief from common digestive problems such as bloating, indigestion, and constipation. The benefits of herbal teas for digestion are vast. Whether it's peppermint tea soothing an upset stomach or chamomile tea easing inflammation in the gut, there is a wide range of options available. Incorporate these top 5 herbal teas: ginger, fennel, chamomile, peppermint, and dandelion root into your daily routine to experience their therapeutic effects firsthand. So sit back, relax, and sip on nature's remedy for better digestion. Herbal teas. With their myriad health benefits and delicious flavors, they are sure to become your new favorite addition to your wellness routine. Take care of your gut health with this simple yet effective self-care practice.